The topic is Nursing as a Profession. The course name is Nursing Foundation. Course code is BSCN 1003 and my name is Pooja Saraswat, Faculty of Galgotias University, School of Nursing. You should know these points before starting the topics, that is anatomy of human body and physiology of human body. You should learn about there in 12th class. Basic terminologies of medical science and objectives of the lecture is nursing definition, basic nursing principles, objectives of nursing, concept of nursing, functions of a nurse, qualities of a nurse, nursing as a profession, characteristics of nursing, elements of nursing, categories of nursing personnel, summary, and practice questions. Next is nursing definition. So what is nursing definition? Nursing defined as nursing encompasses autonomous and collaborative care of individuals of all ages, families, groups and communities, sick or well and in all settings. Nursing includes the promotion of health, prevention of illness and the care of ill, disabled and dying peoples, advocacy, promotion of a safe environment, research, participation in shaping health policies and in patient and health systems. Management and education are also key nursing roles. There are basic nursing principles is safety, therapeutic effectiveness, comfort, use of resources, good workmanship and individuality. There are various types of objectives of nursing is prepare nurses who will give expert bedside nursing care, provide integration of health and social aspect theory and practice, provide an adequate, sound scientific foundation to understand the functioning of body and mind in health and disease. Prepare to work cooperatively, develop sense of responsibility, provide opportunity to develop skill and personality, upgrade nursing as a profession. Next is concept of nursing. So the task of nursing are to promote health, to prevent disease, to help ill person to healing, to assist the dying patient to pass away with quietude, peace and dignity. The client is a holistic human being, includes suffering persons and healthy person. Now, functions of a nurse. There are different types of functions of a nurse. First is caregiver. The caregiver role has traditionally included those activities that assist the client physically and psychologically while preserving the client's dignity. Caregiving encompasses the physical, psychosocial, developmental, cultural, and spiritual levels. Second is communicator. Communication is an integral to all nursing roles. Nurses communicate with the client, support persons, other health professionals, and people in the community. In the role of communicator, nurses identify client's problem and then communicate these verbally or in writing to other members of the health team. The quality of a nurse communication is an important factor in nursing care. Third is nurse clients advocate. Clients advocate act to protect the clients. In this role, the nurse may represent the client's need and wishes to other health professionals, such as relaying the client's wishes for information to the physician. They also assist client in exercising their rights and help them speak up for themselves. Next is counselor. Counseling is a process of helping a client to recognize and cope with stressful psychological and social problems, to develop improved interpersonal relationships, and to promote personal growth. It involves providing emotional, intellectual, and psychological support. Next is manager. The nurse manager manages the nursing care of individuals, families, and communities. The nurse manager also delegates nursing activities to ancillary workers and other nurses and supervises the evaluates their performances. Next is case manager. Nurses case manager work with the multidisciplinary healthcare team to measure the effectiveness of the case management plan and to monitor outcomes. Next is qualities of a nurse. There are various types of qualities of a professional nurses. First, truthfulness, loyalty and honesty. Second is love for the fellowship. Third is caring. Fourth, commitment. Fifth, compassion and generosity. Sixth, acceptance and assertiveness. Seventh, punctuality. Eighth, fairness. Ninth, self-esteem and tolerance. 10th, appreciation. 11th is creativity. 12th, imagination. 13th, confidence. 14th, empathy. 15th is humor. 16th, kindness. 17th, morality. 18th, courage. 19th, accountability. 20 is authenticity. 21 alertness, 22 intelligence, 23 efficiency, 24 self-discipline, 25 openness, and 26 and last is independent. Next is nurse. What is the meaning of nurse? And nurse stands for. Nurse is spelled as N-U-R-S-E. So N stands for nobility and knowledge, U stands for usefulness and understanding, R stands for righteousness and responsibility, S stands for simplicity and sympathy, E stands for efficiency and equanimity. Next is profession. So here what is the profession? What do you mean by profession? Profession is a calling that requires special knowledge, skills and preparations, an occupation with ethical components that is devoted to the promotion of human health and social welfare. We can say that a profession is an occupation or calling requiring advanced training and experience in some specific or specialized body of knowledge which provides service to society in that special fields. Next is what is nursing as a profession? That is your topic, nursing as a profession. So nursing is a discipline involved in the delivery of healthcare to the society. That is a helping profession. It is service oriented to maintain health and well-being of a peoples. It is an art of science. Nurse word is originated from a Latin word that is nutrix. It means to nourish. Next is characteristics of nursing. What are the characteristics of nursing? There are various types of characteristics of nursing. First is nursing is caring. They give caring support to the patients. Nursing involves close personal contact with the recipient of the care. Nursing is concerned with services that take humans into account and physiological, psychological and sociological organisms. Nursing is committed to promoting individual, family, community and national health goals in its best manner possible. There are some elements. First is accountability. Accountability is service involves intellectual activities, individual responsibilities. Second is your autonomy. Autonomy is practitioners are relatively independent and control their own policies and activities. Third is your altruism. Practitioners are motivated by service and consider their work as an important component of their lives. Fourth is your association. There is an organization that encourages and supports high standards of practice. There are various types of nursing personals. First is staff nurse, second is senior staff nurse, next is nursing superintendent grade 1, that is we can say NS grade 1. Second is nursing superintendent grade 1st, that is we can say NS grade 1. Nursing tutor, clinical instructor, principal school of nursing, next lecturer college of nursing. Next is Assistant Professor College of Nursing. Next is Professor College of Nursing, Principal College of Nursing, Senior Assistant Director of Nursing, Public Health Nurse, that is District Family Welfare Bureau. In summarized form, we can say that nursing is a profession within the healthcare sector focused on the care of individuals, families, and communities so they may attain, maintain or recover optimal health and qualities of life. There are some practice questions which is arise from the lecture. First is define nursing. Second, explain the functions of nurses. Third is what are the qualities of nurses. Fourth, define categories of nursing personnel. Next is write short note on nursing as a